everybody, one more letter. Do you know what letter is? Do you know what letter is, baby? That is letter. That is letter. It is letter U, baby. U. U. R S T U. U U U. U U U. U U U. U U U U. Can you say U? You do your mouth like me. U. 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 Can you say it? U. The sound of letter U say The sound of letter U say That is the short sound of letter U. If the long sound we say U, but the short sound we say okay? Say again. U. 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 Oh, U. What's the picture sound you?
Me.
Then, oh, it is pretty animal. We call unicorn. Unicorn. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Maybe not get touched. Maybe we'll let you choose later. U for unicorn. One more. We have tan tan tan. Do. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Now I have umbrella, go, go, go away. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. U for umbrella, U for unicorn, U for umbrella. When the rains come, we hold the umbrella. Don't make our body wet by the rain. Okay? One more. Whoop. Whoop. We say up. Stephen, can you say it? Up. Up to the sky. Up to the sky. Up. U for up. U for up. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Last picture. The last picture is under. Oh, the boy and the girl are under the table. Under. Stephen, can you say it, baby? Under. U for under. U for up. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Unicorn. This is unicorn. This is umbrella. Umbrella. Unicorn. 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 Which one is unicorn? Pretty animal. Unicorn. Pretty animal. Good boy. Congratulations, baby. Slowly again. Unicorn. Correct. Which one is umbrella? Umbrella. Rain, rain, go away. Now I have the umbrella. Which one umbrella? Umbrella. Which one is the umbrella? Can you choose one? Umbrella. That is unicorn. You already choose. This is unicorn. Which one umbrella? Stable. Choose umbrella first. Baby, choose umbrella first. Which one is umbrella? We use umbrella when the rain comes. Which one umbrella? Choose umbrella. Choose umbrella. Which one umbrella? Get one umbrella. This is unicorn. Okay, you don't like umbrella, I know. Okay, good job. This is umbrella. This is unicorn. How about this one? Up. Under. Under. Up. Under. Up. Under. Up. Under. Up. So people, which one? Which one? Up. Up to the sky. Up. Do you want to choose, baby? Up. Which one up? Which one up? Which one up? Up. Up to the sky. Which one up? Which one up to the sky? Okay. Okay. Here, mommy, we put this one. Which one up to the sky? Up. Good job. That one is up. Well done, baby. That is up. Okay, one more left, baby. Okay, mommy will give you back. Okay. One more is, which one is under? Which one is under? Which one under? Under. Under. Good job. Well done. This one is up. This one is under. Okay? Mommy give you that. A little bit blue. Good job. Today we study about letter U. So people say again. U. U. Oh, eel. This one is eel. It's not food. It's not food. It's just a thing. No. Okay, go. No. Don't need it. No. Okay, this is you. Okay? You. Today we study letter U. Okay, bye-bye. Yes, welcome back, mommy and daddies. How are you today? Welcome, mommy and daddy. And you are new in my channel. Yes, if you like my video, don't forget subscribe and like if you want to see the next video. Thank you all you're watching from the first until now. I'm trying to produce all video new for all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.